So in this video, we are working on a Google Pixel 8a. We got this in earlier today, and luckily we actually had the screen in stock. Pixel screens are not something that we usually carry, but we ended up ordering some extras and we kept it in stock. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this screen. We did test the screen is functioning, it just needs a new screen. So we're gonna put this on the heating mat for a few minutes, face down. All right, so the phone is still hot, and because of that, we should be able to remove the screen easier. Let's take a look. And there's no room to insert this. Well, this will be a very difficult screen to remove. Actually, technically not. If this wasn't broken, I'd be using a suction cup, so not crazy hard. Okay, so I've managed to create a opening, and now I'm inserting my blue pick. It's spiderwebbed, which I was hoping it would not. That's all right. Okay, pretty much to remove the majority of the screen. There's some glass still stuck on the sides. It's okay, we can get that done in a few moments. Okay, now we just need to remove this shield right here that covers the cable. Just like that. Now we can pop this off. And we should be able to just remove this glass easily. And right here. Okay, so it looks pretty much clean, the frame now. Make sure there's no glass anywhere. Okay, so we removed the screen. Here is the old screen. We got a original OEM screen straight from Google. So calibration is required after the repair. There's a link if we need to. Very good, it does have its own set of adhesive. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up this frame just to make sure it is fully clean before we add a new screen. Some alcohol on the Q-tip, and we'll just go over the frame, cleaning any residue of dirt, any microscopic glass that I can't see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a lot of dust and junk coming out. Good. Let's get this new screen. Okay, we've plugged it in. Let's plug this guy in as well. Lastly, we're going to be sealing this Pixel. Just remove the screen protector and then boot it for the first time and say Bismillah. Perfect. Very delicate. It's just that camera cover. You need to make sure it's inserted properly before you drop it in. Good. Simple and easy. Now, if you're doing this repair yourself, you need to be very careful with one thing, and that thing is the camera cover. If you put this incorrectly, it could damage the display, and you'll see like a long line across the screen. So we still have one more step to do. We're going to be calibrating the fingerprint scanner on a computer. We do have a video down below. It's in the description on how we calibrate fingerprint scanning. So if you are following along with this repair, after we've installed the screen, we still have to calibrate that fingerprint scanner. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like always, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.